Hello guys! So we're going to Walgreens today. So it's a new week, new promotion. We have PNG promotion, and also check your account if you receive any digital booster. So I have spent 35, get $7 of Walgreens cash. Also for the PNG products, it's spend 30 probably and receive $10 register reward, and spend 45, get $15 of Walgreens cash online. But for the PNG, let's see if it's spend 30 or spend 35 in the store. Okay, I will confirm on that later. And also, did you see the price of the Big Tide? It's $10.99, and we have $3 digital coupon. So just right there, the price is $7.99, but for sure it's included also on PNG promotion. So yes, guys, confirm we also have a PNG promotion in store. It's spend 30 or spend 35, get $10 register reward. We also have some beauty and personal care items promotion. Spend 25, get $10 store register reward. Or if you want to do it online, spend 25, get $10 Walgreens cash. This week, guys, is a really good week. We have a lot of promotion with PNG and the other spend 25 get $10 register reward or Walgreens cash promotion. Also check your account because we receive a new $5 Walgreens cash on your next purchase booster. Okay, guys, so we're inside at Walgreens now, and in front of the store, I found this beauty savings event. It's a coupon for L'Oreal and different items. So if you see this in your store, make sure to grab one. There's a coupon for L'Oreal, Garnier, and different items. Just make sure to grab one of this store coupon, okay? So the first item I'm going to grab is three of this Olay. My store is not tagged yet, but these are $8 each. So I'll grab three of this Olay for $24. So we have $7 on three digital coupon. And also if you buy three, you will receive $5 register reward. These are always included on PNG promotion before, so for sure it's also included this week. And I'm going to pair the Olay with the Crest. So Crest is $4 each. If you buy three, you will receive $5 register reward. And we also have $5 on three digital coupon. So yes, the Crest it's also part of PNG promotion. So with the Olay and Crest, your total is $36. So yes, we will receive the $10 PNG register reward for spending 35. Also in this account, I have spent 35 get $7 Walgreens cash digital booster, and I'm pairing it with my paper booster. Spend 35 get 7. So with the Olay and Crest, we have $12 digital coupon. So after all the digital coupon, you'll pay $24, but then you will receive $20 registered reward. $5 for Olay, $5 for Crest, and $10 PNG registered reward. So making your transaction for just $4. And if you're not using any booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But for me, this transaction is a free and money maker because I'm adding it on my spend booster. I also added the L'Oreal in my transaction because in this account I have make a for purchase of $40. I receive $25 of Walgreens cash monthly booster. So the L'Oreal is 5.49 each. We have a $3 store coupon each, the one that I showed before, and we also have $3 on two digital coupon. So after the store coupon, your doll is 4.98 less $3 coupon, so it's $2 or $1.98 for L'Oreal or 99 cents each. But as I mentioned, this is a free and money maker for me using a booster. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. As you can see, that's the Olay, the Crest, and the L Vibe. My points booster of spend 35, and the $6 that's the store coupon for the L'Oreal L Vibe. So all my digital coupon came off. I also rolled a total of $22 register reward and pay $3.98 out of pocket. So if you have some register reward, just roll it to lower your out of pocket. Then I receive a total of $14.40 Walgreens cash for my booster, $7 for my digital booster, and $7 for my paper booster, and 40 cents everyday points. I also received the $20 register reward, $5 for the Olay, $5 for the Crest, and $10 PNG register reward. So for this transaction, guys, I paid $25.98, but then I received a total of $34.40 back between Walgreens cash and register reward, making my transaction completely free and $8.42 moneymaker. And for our next transaction, we're going to do the $1 head and shoulder. So for this transaction, guys, I'm just going to redeem Walgreens cash. And also in this account, I have $5 Walgreens cash on your next purchase booster. So I grab four of the head and shoulder for $28. I have $4 on two and $3 on two digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $21, but then you will receive $10 register reward for spending 25 and $5 Walgreens cash for the booster. Also, guys, check your fetch because we have fetch promotion. Spend 25, get 2,000 points or $2 back. So for this head and shoulder, you'll pay $21, but then you will receive $17 back, making it for just $4 or $1 each. So here's my receipt for that transaction, guys. As you can see, there's a four head and shoulder, and my $3 and $4 digital coupon. My total is $21. I just redeemed $20 Walgreens cash. Then I received $5 Walgreens cash for my digital booster, and the $10 register reward for spending 25. I also received the 2,000 points on Fetch. Another easy spend 35 deal you can do is this Oral-B and deodorant deal. So Oral-B is same promotion with Crest. Buy three, get $5 register reward. And for the deodorant is buy four, get $4 register reward. And we have a high value digital coupon. So you will grab two of the Secret 9.99. Buy one, get one 50%, and we have $9 or $7 on two digital coupon. And for the Old Spice, it's $8.99. So buy one, get one 50%. And part of the buy four, get $4 register reward, and we have $5 on two digital coupon. So for the Secret and the Old Spice, we have $12 digital coupon, and also part of PNG promotion, but the total is not $35 yet. That's why I added the Oral-B, $3.50 each. If you buy three, you will receive $5 register reward, and we have $4 on two and $1 on one digital coupon. Total for this transaction is $38.96, but after all the coupons, you'll pay $21.96. But then you will receive a total of $19 register reward, $5 for Oral-B, $4 for the other one, and $10 PNG register reward. So making all of this for just $2.96. And yes, guys, you can use $20 of Walgreens cash. I think 296 for all of this. That's a really good deal. So here's my receipt for the transaction. As you can see, that's the Secret and the Old Spice half price, the three Oral-B and the Old Spice and Secret. So all my digital coupon, my total is 21.96. I redeemed $20 of Walgreens cash, Then I received the $19 register reward. So making that transaction for just 296 for all. And for my last transaction, it's another spend 25, get $10 register reward promotion. So for the Dove guys, not all are included. Only this deep moisture are included on promotion. Spend 25, get 10. Also, Dove this week is buy two get $2 register reward. So for the Dove, it's $8 each. We have $5 on two digital coupon. So I pair it with this small head and shoulder clinical. So these are $7 each. And I have $5 on one and $4 on one digital coupon. So for these four items, your total is $30, but we have a total of $14 digital coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay $16, but then you will receive $10 store register reward for spending 25, and also you will receive $2 register reward for the Dove, making all of this for just $4 or $1 each. But if you have any booster like the $5 Walgreens Cash digital booster for your next purchase, or spend 15 get 5 booster, this will be free and a $1 money maker for you. So I have spent 15 boosters, so it's $1 money maker for me. So here's my receipt for that transaction, the Head and Shoulder and the Dove, and all my digital coupon. I also rolled $15 register reward and pay $1. Then I received the $5 Walgreens cash for my paper booster. And also I received the $12 register reward, $2 for the Dove, and $10 for spending 25. So making all of this completely free and $1.30 a moneymaker for me. So yes, guys, that's all the deals I did today, and probably I will come back and do more deals. CBS is also really good. If you want to check some of the breakdown that I posted, you can visit my Instagram or Facebook because I post all the deals regarding this promotion. That's everything I got for you today, guys. For my complete Walgreens haul, probably I will come back and do more deals because this week Walgreens is a really good deal. Also, CBS is a really good deal. We have 10 of 30 CRT. So if you want to check CBS also, we have a lot of deals going on. Probably I will do my CBS deals maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. So yes, guys, that's all the stuff I grabbed at Walgreens today. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the notification down below so you will be notified once I have new video uploaded. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any great deals at Walgreens. Once again, thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next one.